Hi everyone. Welcome to Harmony in English, where learning English is an adventure. We'll dive into captivating stories, uncover hidden meanings behind new words and phrases, and test your understanding with fun quizzes. Let's learn together.
My job. The loud ringing of my phone woke me up from a dream where I was flying high above the clouds, like a bird with no worries. I groaned and hit the snooze button to stop the annoying sound. It was 5:30 in the morning. Time to start another day at the bakery. My name is Ethan, and I make bread for a living. It's not a fancy job. There are no red carpets, no cheering crowds, and no big awards. I just work with flour, listen to the mixing machine go thump thump, and enjoy the nice smell of the bread baking. I started here washing dishes when I was a young guy in high school. I wanted to do something different. The head baker, an old man from Italy named Salvatore, saw that I was a hard worker and liked learning. He taught me all his secrets about making bread, how to measure everything exactly right, how to gently mix the dough, and how to be patient while the bread rises. Salvatore is retired now, but I still use everything he taught me when I make bread. I make many kinds of bread: sourdough with a crispy crust, flaky croissants, and big, chewy ciabatta bread that's perfect for soaking up soup on a cold day. Sometimes it's hard to get up early and work all day. It can be tiring, and I always have to make sure the bread is perfect. But then I see our customers. I see kids with big eyes wanting a sweet roll, and tired people enjoying a cup of coffee and a slice of warm bread. My job is more than just earning money. It's about making something good and helpful. It's about enjoying the simple things in life. I feel good knowing I'm making something delicious that makes other people happy. Even though it's just another day at the bakery, I'm glad to be doing what I do.
Here are important words or phrases from the story My Job, with their meanings and easy examples. Insistent, adjective. Meaning, demanding attention repeatedly. Example: the insistent ringing of the phone finally woke me up. Monotony, noun, meaning, lack of variety and excitement, tedious repetition. Example: the monotony of his daily routine made him feel bored. Gruff, adjective, meaning, rough and unfriendly in manner. Example: the old man had a gruff voice, but he was actually quite kind. Legacy, noun, meaning, something transmitted by an ancestor or predecessor. Example: his grandfather left him a legacy of hard work and determination. Nourishing, adjective, meaning, providing sustenance, giving physical or mental strength. Example: eating fruits and vegetables is nourishing for your body. Primal, adjective, meaning, relating to the earliest stages of development, primitive. Example: baking bread connects me to a primal need for food and sustenance. Contentment, noun, meaning, a state of peaceful happiness or satisfaction. Example: he felt a deep sense of contentment after a long, productive day. Sustenance, noun, meaning, food or drink regarded as necessary for maintaining life. Example: plants provide sustenance for many animals. Let's see how well you know these words. Time for some question and answer practice. 1. The constant noise of the construction outside proved to be quite A. Insistent. B. Monotony. C. Gruff. Two. Grandfather's love for gardening was that he passed down to his children. A. Insistent. B. Monotony. C. Gruff. D. Legacy. 3. The old librarian had a voice, but she was always helpful to the children. A. Gruff. B. Monotony. C. Insistent. D. Legacy. 4. The of daily chores began to wear him down. A. Monotony. B. Insistent. C. Gruff. D. Legacy. 5. The alarm clock's ringing finally woke me up. A. Insistent. B. Monotony. C. Gruff. D. Legacy. Six. A balanced diet provides the necessary for a healthy body. A. Insistent. B. Monotony. C. Gruff. D. Sustenance. 7. The cave paintings offer a glimpse into the lives of our ancestors. A. Primal. B. Insistent. C. Monotony. D. Gruff. 8. After a long day at work, he felt a deep sense of A. Insistent. B. Contentment. C. Gruff. D. Legacy. 9. The nourishing soup provided much needed on a cold winter's night. A. Sustenance. B. Insistent. C. Monotony. D. Gruff. Here are the answers to the quizzes. 1A. Insistent. 2D. Legacy. 3A. Gruff. 4A. Monotony. 5A. Insistent. 6D. Sustenance. 7A. Primal. 8B. Contentment. 9A. Sustenance. I hope this helps. I hope these quizzes are helpful. Let me know in the comment.